Hi y'all, this is Michelle, the Southern Shell, and I'm here to review this hot glue gun. Just in time for Christmas if you know anybody who needs a new glue gun. But I have not used it, I have not even opened it. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to try it out, and it's a cordless glue gun. Of course, I'd love to try it out. So it's by Bleds, and let's go ahead and open this and see what we've got. Oh wow, look at there. Okay, so we have the glue gun, nice handle, very good. It has its little stand. It also comes with, look at these glue sticks. So we have the hot glue gun, we have the stand, the cord, and hot glue sticks. Those are nice and long too, and some glittery ones. Wow. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so shows you how to, okay, so the cord is actually, here I thought I was gonna have to plug it in, but it is, look at that. It's a good thing I have my little station here. So let's get this plugged in. And let's see where it plugs in at. Just going to go ahead and get that plugged in there. And that way it's charging. And then this can just sit right there and stand up. So let's give a minute for that to give us a little bit of a charge and heat up, and then I'll be right back here. Okay, so it says here that we want to make sure that the glue gun is off when we're charging it, period. So make sure it's in the off position when you're giving this a full charge. And do not use it when you're charging it. So once it has a good charge, you're going to have a blue light there when you turn it on. And we're just going to take it and we're going to feed that on in. And then that way, as this heats up, we'll be ready to go. So on position, startup state, the blue light is on. After preheating for 1 to 3 minutes, push the trigger to extrude the glue. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and I let this charge overnight, and when it's finished charging, you will have the green light, which it did, and had the green light, I promise. And if it's not finished charging, it'll turn red. So once you have that green light, turn it on, you have the blue light. Blue light means you're charged and ready to go. If there is no light, that means you do not have a charge and you need to charge it. So I am going to go ahead and see what we've got here. Okay, y'all, it has been overnight, and I've let this charge, and I've got the glue stick in there. So let's do a straight, even pressured line. Not too bad. Let's do dots where you can do some like enamel dots, except out of glue. These are real fun because you can get them all done up and then color them. Now I am noticing some glue strings. It can very easily be user error. Not too bad. Let's see, it's not difficult to control, but if you are doing some more detailed work, I let it go and I swirl it. So you see there's a lot of little glue strings in there. These didn't turn out too bad. The smaller ones, I think it's because it is a bigger gun. It's not meant to do that real precise the real precise stuff. So that's, I mean, it is a larger glue gun. It's not one of your detailed ones. Otherwise, I did, sometimes you can do like leaves and items and you can lift them off. So let's see if we can do like, up. Now let's let that cool. It's kind of like a half a holly leaf. And then we'll let that cool. Once it dries or cools, it doesn't dry, it just sets up. Okay, so let's do, how about we do another one of those. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring it on down and out, in and out, in and out. Now you can make little templates that you can just trace over with your gun, which I have done in the past as well. But I've got the little glue dots here for the berries, a little couple holly leaves there, and let's see what we can do. And let that alcohol dry just a little bit. Our leaves are, the ink is dry on our leaves, and my little grandson is playing upstairs, and I happen to be right on top of the, or right below the living room. So I'm going to take and let's get some little berries on there. One there. One there. And one right on top. Now, how fun is that for a little glue project? I mean, you can do it with your kids. Make some outlines for them to that you can trace, and then they can color and place these on your windows. They could work great on your windows. I've already glued it on there. I should have shown you before. But you can put them up on your your jars, your mirrors, anything like that, and they're fun that kids can make. So this is a great idea of what you can use your glue guns for. Like I said, use I've used like coloring books and traced things out before, or drawn them and traced them out with the glue. That is the Bleds BSWX01 hot glue gun, cordless, and I'm very, very pleased with it.